it's Emily. Today I'm gonna be making a Dandy World OC. My old one was I got bored with my old ones, so yeah. She's Waddle's girlfriend. She hates Tegan because she's trying to steal Waddle. Are you serious right now, Emily? Oh my god, yes! Guys, the reason why I'm being so quiet is because my parents all asleep. Our parents all asleep. And one time they screamed at me for being too loud when I was trying to make a Amazon OC. Yeah, she's extremely special. She has stars in her eyes. She may be a common tune, but she costs 1 million iCore. No, common tunes can't cost that much because... Sis, is this your OC? No. That's what I thought. Emily, because you can't be making bullshit like that. And common tunes can't be that expensive. They have to be 300 or under. Oh my god, sis, was somebody talking to you? Was I talking to you? No. And by the way, he thinks she can beat God. Here's her backstory. So when she was a little baby, her mother, she was sister with Tegan. She was siblings of Waddle and Tegan. And Waddle and Emily would hang out a little too much. And Tegan bullied her. And one day, Tegan took it way too far on Emily. Tegan went into Emily's diary and found out she liked Waddle. So she comes in the Waddle and says she likes him. Emily, not every tune has a backstory, Emily. What are you talking now? Okay, no. And actually, her eye color is pink. So, yeah. Wait, did I say event? Emily, did you just say event? That's eye core, not event. Oh, wait, her eye color is pink. And red. Emily, the eye core cannot be pink. Okay. Excuse me, you need to leave my room because I'm making you see. Do I have to call Dad? He would love to be down here. Oh, no, please give me one chance. I've heard him yell at me before, it's so scary. Yeah. Okay, Emily. Emily, you're like 13 years old, and you still do this. Guys, just because, don't complain in the comments, all because I said she was 13 years old. And when she was 9 years old, it was 2021, so that passed. So, yeah. Dad, I'm way more older than you. Emily's kind of right about that. No, but Emily, if you're 13 years old, you need to get off the iPad. That's so mature.
Ah, fine. Let me finish. She can only die in pink eye core.
No, she couldn't. No, all toasts die in black eye core. And Emily, according to your OC, pink eye core? What? The blood of the gods is pink? No, not everything of blood is pink, Emily.
Well, don't pop your wall.
Why does your shit look actually pretty good? But we might want to get rid of this and this.
Oh my god, sis, get off my drawing.
No.
Anyways. She wears a rainbow suit that cost $8 million.
No, that never even happened. Okay, that never even happened.
Oh my god, sis, get me? Just for once. And so, yeah, she's straight. She hates on gay people.
Why would you hate on gay people?
Because they're bad people.
I'm bisexual. People don't call me bad for being bisexual.
I found an accordion that they sexually abuse kids.
Okay, that never even happened. Emily, first of all, that never even happened. They were never meant to sexually abuse kids. They were just meant to be nice. And that's not the reason people hate gays. They just some gay haters just think it's selfish that to be gay, because that means you don't want to have babies. I'll actually explain to you what the gayness means. So, Emily, remember those? Why does the OC actually look pretty good?
So yeah,
some gay haters thought it was selfish that some straights thought it was selfish that if they want to be gay, that they're selfish for not wanting to have babies, and the reason is because, and they think the reason the people died was because the gays. That really explains it. But no, it doesn't true. It never happened. That was only a belief back in 25th century. Now we're actually bisexual. So I think God's fine with that.
well, straights are still better.
Okay, Emily. Let's see if they dress more better than us. So. The reason why I hate gay and bisexual people and trans people, it's because they dress up to make me look poor. Like, you dress up like that to make me look poor. No, Emily. Emily, it's just how they want to dress. I even dress like that. Then why didn't you tell me before? Okay, back to the OC. I'm lesbian and I'll never date guys. Isn't that the point of lesbian? Oh my god, sis, nobody was talking to you. Oh my god, sis, nobody was talking to you. But the thing, liking girls sexually, is all about what's a lesbian's all about. The reason why I'm lesbian is because I like pink. Okay, that's not what lesbian's about, Emily. So I'm going to talk about her a little bit. Oh wait, I forgot. What? She's a demon. Okay. Oh wait, guys, so she costs 1 million iCore. Her stats are all 5 stars. She has 10 hearts. And if she exists, only I can get her because she's my tune. Oh, and she even broke up with Wardle. She even hates Lenore because the reason is because she's a whale tune, so she's jealous. But tunes can't cost 1 million iCore, though. Yes, they can! Okay, so just get my room, I'm done. Okay, now you can watch the speed paint, my speed paint. You'll be so jealous. Oh, MG! Blow up a wire! Ask mommy to buy it for me! We can Sephora! Okay, Emily, we are not going to Sephora. We never go to Sephora! Okay, Emily, this is why you never have a boyfriend. You can't be talking. You only like fictional characters. Those. And yeah, so that's not my passion. I only like real people. I may be in the 7th grade, but I actually like real people. And I do have a boyfriend. I have all the boys in the school. Okay, Emily. Okay. And yeah, people love my OCs. My boyfriend loves my OCs. I steal everyone's boyfriend. Even 5th graders fall in love with me. Ew, what? Even 5th graders, even 1st graders, 2nd graders, 4th graders, 4th graders, 5th graders, 6th graders, 7th graders, 8th graders, 9th graders, 10th graders, 11th graders, 12th graders fall in love with me. No. If a high schooler ever dated you, they would be a pedophile, bro. Whoa. Like if they're like 18 or over. I don't care. Plus, I'm a zoo. Ew, what? Emily, go get mental health. So those are my flags. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm done. No!